Had some snow out there. It's really more of a traffic issue than anything else. As far as snowfall totals go, it's not that impressive, but I will give you a heads up. This area here is where we're seeing our heaviest snow. Now, once you get west of there, as John Atwater was pointing out, it kind of really lets up quite a bit. But this area here has been in rain, and that cold air should be sliding its way southward. So it's actually going to be changing over to some snow. How about the snowfall totals so far? Well, over Chelsea, we've got about an inch of snow, same in Cambridge. And then you get into this stretch right here from Needham down to Dedham. That's where we're actually seeing the heaviest snow right now. About 2.5 inches of snow. Travel out farther under the pike with some elevation. We've got a few spots that are over an inch of snow, but I'm looking at this cold air kind of working its way southward. So you see how, like in Bill Ricker, where it's 28 degrees, or Woburn, where it's 30, it's cold enough to support snow, although it's mixing at the coast. Now, this cold air is trying to push its way southward, so out at Logan Airport, we really haven't gotten that much snow out of the whole thing. And then the moisture really gets heaviest down through here, but these temperatures barely cold enough to support wet snowflakes melting, like Hanover at 38 degrees. Once you get to Duxbury, more of a rain event than anything else, and same thing with the Cape. We're seeing temperatures into the 30s. However, we're going to see that cooler air working its way down just as we run out of moisture. So late in the storm is your best chance for seeing some snow down toward the Cape. So this is the band right through here that's got the heaviest with it. It will kind of swirl its way through and then head out to sea. What's behind it is really the very light stuff. So you'll notice what's going to happen tonight. Between now and 6 o'clock, basically what you see is what you get, but that colder air may be pushing its way down to the south and changing it over to some snow. 7 o'clock, still kind of the same thing, but notice once you're west of like 128, it's really letting up at this point, and then the whole thing is collapsing offshore by 10 o'clock, and that's why I say by midnight this whole thing is over with, and now we unleash the colder air coming in. Tomorrow's got a lot of clouds with it, maybe a passing flurry, but it's not going to be the snow that we're looking at today. So this is the band right through here where we're probably going to see the heaviest. I think it's generally about a 1 to 3 inch snowfall, but we've got some banding going on right through here where maybe just a little bit more. As you saw, 2.5 inches already, and we've still got a couple more hours of snow to go through. So for tonight, we've got that snow and rain out there ending by midnight, but watch out. This slush is going to freeze up out there. We have not been treating the roads like we do deep into the winter, and so there's going to be some icy spots out there. So be careful. Give yourself plenty of extra time. It is an impact evening. Tomorrow, under partly cloudy skies, maybe a passing flurry, but I think the thing you'll notice more than anything else, it's going to be cold and breezy. Highs tomorrow, 28 to 36, northwest wind 15 to 25, and it gets even colder. Because as our snowmaker tonight moves out of here, it pulls in this frigid air. That frigid air is with us on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Eventually, there is some milder air out here to the west, which we'll get into our forecast. You'll see that starting to show up as we head towards Christmas. So as far as the winds are concerned, I think the strongest winds will actually be on Sunday morning. We're talking about wind gusts 25, 30 miles an hour. Not a dangerous wind, but add that to the cold and the wind chills are going to feel like they are below zero. The winds, by the way, will improve as we head towards Monday morning. So on Sunday morning, those are your wind chills, single digits, below zero. That's cold stuff that we have not seen for a while. Here's the way it looks over the next 7 days. Tomorrow, just a passing flurry, but we're cold for this time of year, and get really cold on Sunday and Monday, especially Monday morning. Now, Tuesday, this is Christmas Eve, and it looks like we have a chance at seeing some light snow. It does look like light stuff. We'll talk more about that in the next half hour, but there is a chance for it. Should be clearing out, though, for Christmas Day, and you see the warming trend. Once we get beyond Christmas, we start to talk about temperatures into the 40s and sunshine. A lot of what we see out there is going to melt, but be careful. There's some icy roads out there right now. Ben?